We got a deck of bicycles here.
Let's do this. Oh my god. No way.
A little hard after arm wrestling.
That's
Here you go. Here's this half.
Jesus. How'd you learn how to do that?
Just doing all the grip sport, old time strongman, you know, shit like that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ready? Go.
Yeah, Tommy.
And you feel incredibly strong. You feel incredibly strong.
God, you see it?
Good. That was great. That Kara could be in a role. There's probably a lot of kindness and laws she could be involved in that could put her in a little side. All right, for the alarm's going off.
Oh, I smashed the table. Sorry.
Yeah. Well, you look at like how good Devin's boy's doing. I know his boy's not that strong, but Devin's not even so much.
The technique's so hit bizarre.
Yeah, over the years. I guarantee
once it feels like
I didn't know what to make. I was like, yeah, I was just so he did that, and that was just absolutely amazing. And then he had another where he had my daughter, that's what he said. Both of them together.
Kidnapping. I have to turn back around. Look like my doctor. Oh yeah. Like exactly. Like if he was actually like lifted weight.
I got the hand before I did.
You ever feel it in your pec from arm wrestling?
Sometimes, yeah.
Like when you go to the press and it feels not pain, but like, hey, maybe you shouldn't do that. It's counterintuitive because in my mind, like it is physics. You apply the measurements here.
Yeah.
Because they are.
You're like me, you overthink it, probably. A lot of times what I'm doing, but I think I'm doing two different things.
This is working, you get out there with it, by the time you go back to school, you're gonna be so far ahead.
Next week, that's Canada this week.
Of course.
We got to be there. I'll be here probably those weeks, but every other week, I wouldn't try and skip. I think practicing will be the minute.
And it'd be a perfect one, because if it gets fucked up, it makes things by everyone. I mean, you might have.
Everything is July.
Yes. I was handed one day, and we'd already been lifting for like an hour. He's
Yeah,
like,
I
watch this.
blew my finger that day, yeah.
But that happened. I mean, that was amazing. Just fucking see.
1.5. Got it.
Nope.
Holy fuck, that's so close though.
Also
That's a
has
3.
the absolute world record for the silver
There we
bullet
go.
holds. And I mean, nobody's fucking close to breaking his record. Not even kind of close.
Oh my god. He's repping it.
First generation GHP level 8. It's rated by Matt Cannon, 171.
Yep. That's closed. Jeez. Let me see that.
I could totally, man. Okay, so
get out of here.
Wait, turn around for your
Bradford,
photo.
let's go.
Take a left door, Bill. I've literally used that in a Hailstorm.
Bradford.